What's up, JA fam? It's Jen and Abby, and we are in Hawaii. And today we are going back out to North Shore. We rented a car again today, but today we are going with our two friends, Sarah and Aya, which we talk about all the time. They're so awesome, but we're gonna explore more of North Shore because we freaking loved it. Like North Shore, when the locals recommended it, I mean, they said it for a reason. It is gorgeous out there. So we're so excited to get back out there.
We're going to Waimea Bay, Waimea Valley, and Waimea Falls. So we're super excited because it's some of the most beautiful views. We kind of saw a little bit on the way when we went to North Shore the other day. So we're super excited to take y'all on this journey because it's so beautiful. So we're super excited. We're gonna drive a little bit. It'll probably take us an hour, and then we're gonna be in the freaking Waimea Bay. Inside of Waimea Valley. We're walking over to the waterfall. It's called Waimea Falls. The hike is only about 20-30 minutes away, and it's paved walkway, so it's a pretty easy hike to get up there, and we're super excited to see this waterfall because everyone says you got to come to this waterfall.
I'm Ruben. I am fourth generation to this valley, Waimea Falls. My great-grandmother was the last reigning chiefess.
Wow.
And I have been practicing this craft here for 26 years. And this is our traditional weapons of war.
Wow.
So this is all fighting weapons. This is not for hunting. And it's made of various materials, natural materials. It's here. Swordfish bills here. And 4 types of sharks. So we have the tiger shark, the mako, great white, and the white tip.
Wow. Waterfall, dude, like this is freaking crazy. We're living la vida loca, living la vida loca.